टेक फर्स्ट गल्फ की जानिब से सऊदी अरब में TFG सऊदी कनेक्ट की कामयाब तकरीब का इनेकाद। इस तकरीब में इन कंपनियों की जानिब से बसीरत अंगेज़ मालूमाती तफसील पेश की गई जो टेक्नोलॉजी और बुनियादी ढांचे के इर्तिका को आगे बढ़ाने वाली मुत्तहद पेश रफ्त का मुजाहरा करती है। इस तकरीब में दी जाने वाली मालूमात ने TFG के कलीदी अमूदी पहलुओं में बाशमूल ऑडियो विजुअल, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, ELV, UCC और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को नुमाया किया, जिसकी वजह से हाजरीन को सनत के माहिरीन से ताज़ा तरीन रुझानात और अपडेट्स के बारे में जानने का मौका मिला। TFG के चीफ स्ट्रेटजी ऑफिसर आकाशदीप सिंह ने कहा, वेंडर्स के साथ हमारा ये इवेंट बहुत कामयाब रहा, शराकत के लिहाज से भी और मार्केट के चैलेंजों और मुतालबात से निपटने के लिए अहम मालूमात शराकत दारों तक पहुँचाने में भी। हमारे इवेंट के रोड मैप में मिस्र, कुवैत, कतर और ओमान में मज़ीद इम्कानात तलाश करना शामिल हैं। हम इन खित्तों में शराकत दारी को मजबूत बनाने और नए मौक़े तलाश करने का मुंतज़िर हैं। टेक फर्स्ट गल्फ ICT इंडस्ट्री में वसी इल्म और इसके अफरादी क़ुव्वत का बायोकल्चर तनोए तंजीम को इस काबिल बनाता है कि वो अपने सार्फिन को जदीद टेक्नोलॉजी, पेशेवराना हल और खदमात फ़राहम करे। यह बुनियादी तौर पर दुनिया के सरकर्दा IT ब्रांड्स के वसी प्रोडक्ट पोर्टफोलियो और पूरे खिते में अगली नस्ल की टेक्नोलॉजीज़ को अपनाने के लिए पूरा टीम की वजह से है। तकरीब से खिताब करते मेहमान खसूसी ने कहा कि
So, Mr. Laith, how are you?
Good.
We would like to ask some questions from you. If you can put some light on your brand's product development process and how it aligns with Saudi market.
So usually in Group IP, we're talking about different technologies, different services. Starts by our threat intelligence. We are a threat intelligence driven company. We have different solutions that get feeds by threat intelligence, which is part of the requirements for Saudi market. So usually when it comes to our technologies and our services, we have provided these technologies during the last 20 years for the market, and especially for the last 3 years in Saudi markets. Following the compliance, the regulatory requirements that we have in the market, we have achieved many successful stories in compliance with local regulations like SAMA or the Saudi Central Bank, National Cybersecurity Authority, etc., etc. We have been there to support through our main mission, which is fighting against cybercrime.
My name is Abrar Hussain. I'm leading Arcon business in Saudi and Bahrain. The question is that how it aligns, right, with the Saudi needs
Saudi
of
market,
the Saudi
yeah.
market. What we do actually, we go to the customers, we go to the market, we go to our partners, try to understand the need, requirement of the customers, and based on that, we develop our products. Most importantly, the company runs by the passionate people. So it's our passion to bring a new technology developments every time to our product. So we keep working on the transformation of our product. So every time you will see that we have a new technology added into our product. And once I said that we get the feedback of the customers, market needs, we keep trying to add those features into the product.
Okay.
So that's why we become a kind of relevant to the customers and the market.
Oh, nice. And how does TFG contributes to enhancing the value propositions of your own brand with MENA region?
Okay, so it's not only about the MENA region. TFG is a big distribution company, and they are not just the distribution. They are not into the distribution only. They are value-added distributor. They have a big force, technology team, pre-sales, PS team, and they are spreaded all around the Saudi, Middle East, as well as Africa and Asia. So they are helping us to spread our message throughout these, markets, these countries.
So how does TFG contributes in enhancing your brand in MENA region?
Well, TFG is one of our important growth vehicles in the region. They have been an awesome partner in terms of supporting our growth capitalizing on their presence since 2019. They have done massive growth in the market, and we have been growing with them as well. Again, through their streamlined process that is supporting our order processing and supporting our expansion and growth in the market and bringing new partners and spreading the message, let's say, in the market. So again, TFG has been an important vehicle for that, and we're looking forward to more growth with them in the future.
Nice.
And we keep monitoring the market, see how the landscape of the market is changing, and we respond along the way in providing the right solutions that will address the right problems in the market.
If we specifically talk about MENA region, what strategies do you have for launching the new products over here in the MENA region?
Yes, so we are on ongoing engagements with our customers and partners in the region.
What are your strategies to expand